Welcome to Photoshop, and today we're going to take a look at previous conversion inside Adobe Camera Raw. Now we have this image here, and I'm going to go ahead and open that into Adobe Camera Raw to do some basic adjustments here. So we're going to switch this to standard. I could do an auto color balance if I wanted, and that looks pretty good. I'm going to open my contrast and shadows up just a little bit. Now, if I do want to come in here and make some adjustments, you can do adjustments, but the process that I'm going to show you right here, it does not work with your adjustments. We'll go ahead and just make a simple adjustment like that. And then when we would open up our image and we would be good to go. And so a lot of times when you're taking photographs, you have images that are very, very, very similar. And your initial raw application, when you open them up, a lot of the stuff can be duplicated. So we will move down here to this image and I will hit Command E and we will open this image up. So we have an image that's very similar to the other. Now, instead of going through that whole process and adjusting it, all I have to do is come over here to this little drop-down menu and hit Previous Conversion. And what that's going to do is apply what I just did. Now that does not include the adjustment brush. So if you do use the adjustment brush, even though it is set exactly where I had it, you are going to have to come in here and do your adjustment brush to apply those. I absolutely love this. I use it just about every single day when I'm toning photos. Hopefully this has been helpful and you give Previous Conversion a try. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave those below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.